Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can uncap FPS in Mecha break. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. So first of all, in game press escape, go to settings, then here make sure VSync is off because it can cap your frame rates, and then make sure your frame limit no restrictions if you have more than 144, but if you have 144 hertz monitor, select 144 and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, you can apply and exit, close the game, and then I will show you what you need to do here next. First thing what we need to do here, we need to go to display settings, and on display settings select the right monitor that you play, and then you need to go to advanced display, and on advanced display make sure choose refresh rate and maximum amount is selected here. Next thing what we need to do here, if you have NVIDIA GPU, right click on it on your desktop, show more options, NVIDIA control panel, and on NVIDIA control panel we need to wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. And then you just need to press change resolution, make sure your right resolution is selected, and make sure maximum amount of hertz is selected here. Then to go to manage 3D settings, and then make sure on the max frame rate it's off, and not set for example 60 or 90 or something like that. Make sure this option is off because we can set up our max frame rate in game. And that's pretty much it. You should uncap your FPS. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.